Entire wall is going to be hacked down, including this cabinet here. Hi, welcome to another episode of Interior Design with Rae, bringing you tips and tutorials for your home renovation journey. So today I'm going to show you this 5-room HDB resale in Yishun. The demolition is going to start next week. Okay, so before I do any hacking, I just want to show you the original condition of the flat itself, and also what I'll be doing, what I've proposed, and which are the walls that are going to be torn down. Okay, so without further ado, let me just walk you through the entire flat. Okay, so this is the main entrance. So once you step in, you can see that yes, got the living and the dining right now. Okay, my proposal is to hack away the walls here and to enlarge the space. This is not the original layout. The original layout is slightly different. Okay, the previous owner had done some reconfiguration of the layout, but this is not what my clients want. So I have proposed something different. Basically, is to allow more light to come in from the windows behind. Okay, all these yellow windows at the back. Okay, so once you enter this area here, my proposal is going to be a living. Okay, this entire wall is going to be hacked down, including this cabinet here, and the entrance to the master will be this room. Okay, so this wall will be torn down. Okay, so the headboard will be here. This wall also will be torn down, linking to this bedroom, because this bedroom has got its bathroom here. But the previous owner has had already sealed up this entrance. So I'm going to open up, but not here, but over here. Okay, and all this will be torn down, the flooring as well. You can see some water mark on the floor, on the timber floor. So if you're going to overlay vinyl flooring, okay, don't overlay onto timber flooring, because once you overlay vinyl tiles over them, the wood can't really breathe. Okay, I say breathe because once you lay the vinyl tiles over it, it's going to get very hot or very warm underneath. As you know, vinyl tiles, they are very tightly installed. Basically, there's no gap whatsoever. So that will prevent the wood to breathe. If the wood cannot breathe, then it will expand, right? Because of the heat. So when it expands, it will push out your vinyl flooring. Okay, that's when you will see that sometimes when you walk over your vinyl flooring, you will feel that there's some sharp edges at the side. That's when you know that perhaps you have overlaid onto your existing timber flooring. So the best solution is still to remove all timber flooring and flush it. Okay, if you flush it with cement, then you flush it with the tiles outside, assuming your entire place is going to be overlaid with vinyl floor. Okay, let's go towards this room here. Okay, so this cabinet and this wall all going to be hacked, but there's going to be a column here that definitely you can't hack it. Okay, all these are just some boxing up partition wall. So all this will be hacked, and it's very awkward to have a divider like that in the middle. Perhaps this one could be for the bed and then the TV. So all this will be gone. So this area here is going to be converted into a study. Okay, the entrance to the bathroom or to the master bathroom will be sealed up, and the entrance to the study will be from this side. Okay, so at this moment is a small study corner here, which is okay, but it's just that it's blocking out all the light coming from the window into the house. So this one all will be gone, and this area is going to be their cozy area. Okay, I'm going to build a suspended ledge here where they can enjoy the view outside. Okay, and So this entire space, after about here, okay, this entire space will be the living and the dining, so it becomes a bit more rectangular. I think that will open up the space. The wall at the kitchen will also be torn down, including this wall. Okay, this wall as well. Okay, this is the storeroom wall. Okay, all the cabinet will be torn down. The floor will be hacked away. So all these cabinets. Okay, so over here there's going to be an open kitchen concept. There's going to be a peninsula counter. Okay, and then at the back here will be the laundry area. This storeroom will be shifted. Okay, it's not going to be so deep anymore. It will be shifted to make it narrower. Okay, but a bit longer. Then there's going to be a 3-panel sliding door. Okay, that slides close. You can close it if you are doing heavy cooking. You can open it to have that open kitchen concept. So this wall here, the wall tiles, all will be screed over. Okay, but before you screed over, just have to check that the tiles are not dislodged from the wall. Right? If the tiles are dislodged, just ask your tiler or whoever to hack it off and then screed it over. So for the common bathroom, everything will be torn down. Okay, the floor and the wall all will be torn down. So keep it simple for the common bathroom. And over here, you see that there's some false ceiling. All this will be torn down. But the thing is, there is a beam, a small beam here. Okay, so I'm trying to hide this beam with a false ceiling also. There's this lower beam here. So below here, right, will be a lot of storage, and then the entrance to the master bedroom. The hacking will commence in a few days time. From then on, I'll show you more videos along the way. Okay, so continue to watch all my other videos, and remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.